Hello, and how are you? We are here in the Megastore once again for another blaster review, and on today's episode on M4A1 Gel Blaster, we have the AKS-47. Let's jump straight into this review by another blaster from RX Toys. Let's get into it. So here we have it, guys, everything that you actually get inside the box of this brand new RX AKS-47. We have the blaster itself. We've got your upper rail, which has got the Picatinny rail on top of it. It also has inside two little attachments for the right and the left side of your front handguard, which allows you to have some more Picatinny real estate area there as well for attachments. Got an 11 volt Boss LiPo battery. We also have your USB 11 volt charger. Safety glasses, guys, always remember your eye pro, very important. One magazine, guys, and we also have the typical RX blue gels for your blaster. Awesome. All right, guys, quick overview of this blaster. The AKS, a little bit different to the previous AKM. This one actually comes with a folding rear stock. The construction of this stock is alloy, so it is pretty sturdy. The blaster also has the upgraded nylon gearbox with metal gears, metal internal barrel, same wood grain finish with similar colors as the previous AKM. Guys, at M4A1 Gel Blaster, we actually like to rate our blasters over 4 different categories, out of 10 for each category. So first up with this blaster, we'll jump straight in. We're going to go for looks. This blaster here definitely looks cool. I am warming up to the AKs on the market right now. So this blaster for me, with the folding stock, the ability to fold it underneath all the way forwards, is actually added a little bit more love for myself to this blaster compared to the previous AKM, so I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Looks pretty damn cool. All right, guys, second on our ratings category is going to be firepower. For this one here, it does come with your semi-automatic, fully automatic. It does run on 11 volt. It does have a 480 mid motor, and it performs actually quite well. It shoots around that 15 plus RPS straight out of the box, as we will cut to the chrono footage and show you exactly what it shoots. Here we are, guys, at the range. We've got the brand new RX AKS-47. Let's send this one down through the chrono and see what she's putting out. There you go, guys. We will also show you how this one performs on the field. We've got the 10 meter mark, and we've also got the 20 meter mark. Let's send this one down the range and see how we go. There you go, guys. That's the new RX AKS-47. As you can see, 10 meter mark absolutely nails it. Pushing out to that 20 meter mark, this blast could definitely be helped with a hop up, but otherwise you're still gonna hit a person-sized target at that distance. Next category on the list with our rating system is going to be Modability. This blaster, guys, has a V3 gearbox. It is up to yourselves. You can buy V3 boxes if you would like to go metal and go down that route. You can change the gears in these blasters. You can find them. They are a little bit harder to find, but they are still out there, as they do take a little bit of a different gear set than your typical Gen 8s or V2s. Otherwise, it also has a alloy barrel, so you don't need to do that one. It's already equipped. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. as it is a little bit harder to modify than most, but there still are a lot of parts out there if you choose to go down that road. All right guys, last on the list, durability. This blaster, it does have blowback still equipped. This blaster, if you are doing your full mag dumps, you may run into some issues long term with some abuse with this blowback system. The blowback system does operate directly linking to the piston inside the gearbox. So I would stress, if you want this blaster to live long term, please use it as described, and that is obviously small trigger bursts, using your semi. You can still use your full auto, just please don't fully dump your mags, mag after mag, as you will run into some issues. Otherwise guys, great blaster. I will rate this one again an 8 out of 10. Awesome guys, that is it. Categories are all done. And in conclusion guys, I would also add, where would I use this blaster mainly? For myself, what I see this blaster being used in is an excellent prop if you're going into a cosplay themed party or going out to any of the cosplay events. Definitely a great blaster there. Also, if you're one of those milsim players who do love to dress up as the what do they call them, the slabs or whatever else it is, definitely grab yourselves one of these blasters and yeah, go along and have some fun. We do have many stores as well guys. This one here is the mega store at Moray Field. We do have, I think, 15, 16, who knows how many shops we've got. They're going to be all over the screen. If you can't get into one of our stores in person, please go on to m4a1gelblaster.com. We also do have free shipping with every purchase over $30. Get yourself some gels. Ozgel gels, we do stock in all the different styles. We do have plenty of other attachments for your blasters or any gear, anything else you need, get on there, check it out. If you are watching this, you're going to be watching us on YouTube. You may also be watching us on Facebook. Don't forget Instagram as well. Please find us on all three of those platforms. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell, get the notifications. If you don't like the video, double dislike. We would love to hear your comments though. Anything you'd like to see or any criticism you got out there for me guys, throw it at me. Love to see what you got. We will see you on the next video very soon. Thanks for tuning in. Always remember guys, bag your blasters, wear your eye protection, stay healthy, stay safe, stay legal. Remember that last one, stop and think. Otherwise guys, I'll see you in the store very soon for one of your brand new RX AKS gel blasters. Cheers.